Okay, so let's get started. Let's plug it in. I'll switch it on. So before we start using the air fryer, we have to do an initial setup. That shouldn't be there. Guys, this is a big basket. Are you ready for it? Look at the size of that. Massive. Make sure all the cardboard is removed before the initial test. So there's 2 arrows there. Make sure they face the rear of the fryer. Right, so let's do the initial setup. Touch air fry. Touch temperature. Then turn the cooking temperature to 205. Touch start. The display shows on. So it's not too noisy. So there's a slight smell coming off that now because of the new plastic and new metals, which is why you do this little initial run. So it just beeped and the display showed add food. At this point I just had to open the basket as if I was going to put food in, but didn't, and then slide it back in and it started automatically again. So we're still doing the initial setup. When I first started the air fryer, a little display came up there with preheat, and then when it said add food, this little cooked come up now. So there's still a slight smell of the air fryer. So put your basket and turn your food. So when that 5 minutes is up, it should show end in the display. Should be cooked. Wowee! So what I did notice, all the heat comes out from the back, so that's why I had to push the air fryer forward to let the air circulate more. So that's something to bear in mind when you're using the air fryer. But yeah, bear that in mind. Remember, it does need the ventilation at the back. So it's only the front there that's hot to touch. Sides are just warm, top is just warm, and all the heat comes out from that fan in the back. So be mindful where you place your air fryer now. So the basket is very hot to touch as well, so make sure you place it on somewhere where you don't damage your work surface, because that is very, very hot. So just be mindful of that. So that's the initial setup of the air fryer complete, and now it is ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. Remember now to subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.